Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how to find hidden photos on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe. It really helps me out. Thanks. Step 1. Check the hidden album. Open the Photos app. Scroll all the way down to the Utility section. Look for the hidden option. If you see it, tap on it. Enter your passcode and view your hidden photos. Step 2. Enable the hidden album. If you don't see the hidden option under Utilities, don't worry, it's likely just turn it off in your settings. Here is how to fix it. Open Settings and scroll down, select Apps and find Photos. In older iOS version, this is on the main page of Settings, not under Apps. Look for the Show Hidden Album option and toggle it on. Once enabled, go back to the Photos app, scroll Utilities, and the hidden album will now appear. And that's it. If this video is helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.